What's that say? You really about to double that clothes on me? You ready? How do you think I am insane? We are all ready. Let's ignore how my car looks. Somebody thought I was about to get over here and drive first. The devil is a lie. I'm right here where I need to be, in the passenger seat, sitting pretty. Oh, and we are off. We are going to Milwaukee, Wisconsin for the Festival of the Laughs, and we're gonna be staying overnight at the Knickerbocker on the lake. So we are on our way to the Knickerbocker on the lake, and it should take about an hour and 52 minutes. Oh, I don't know. Oh, so we just stopped off at Walgreens so we can get some change for these toll roads, because without tolls it was like 3 hours and 34 minutes or something crazy. So we are going in Walgreens, and I'm gonna grab some snacks because Breal not looking like he want breakfast. So yeah, somebody slow poking it up this morning. Still pretty? Check. Run up a check. You want cookies? You said what? You are the one driving. So we are in the car listening to Wendy's disc mixtape. Wendy's EP or whatever, where they coming at Burger King, McDonald's, I think that was KFC. They said Chicken Shack, so, or Popeyes. They know not to come to Popeyes. I don't know.
They can classify them all together. I think that's why.
We still driving. We got 55 minutes and 56 miles left. I was just telling Jabril I have a habit of like looking at people's cars for the black people, because I definitely been looking at the cars to see how many black people I can spot. What they doing? You see they got huh? Boy, zero. Us.
Oh shit. You know what's majority of these school shootings.
So apparently some sort of protesting is going on, and there's people everywhere. They got all these detours set up. So yeah, these peace and love signs out here. Meanwhile, we in here listening to Sulu. So I almost forgot that I did not have a coat on until I stepped out here and felt that breeze, and it hit me like whoop, doo-doo. So waiting on Breal to change his hoodie back there, and then we're gonna go in this restaurant, see what it's hitting for. Hopefully it's good. I'm excited. New experiences. Definitely geeked to share these new experiences with him. So yeah. I'll show you guys the little area so you can see how it looks. This is about 10 minutes from, it's taking forever, Big Blue. This is about 10 minutes from like our hotel, so I'm hoping it's not prejudiced. That'd be my main thing that I'd be scared of, like, is the area gonna be prejudiced? Is it black people around? So that's when I usually get skeptical of stuff. Hopefully we don't have no issues. It seems like it's a decent mix, so I'm shivering, y'all. But he had to put shoes on. He had to change his hoodie. This place here, which is called Cafe Hollander.
Enjoy, you guys.
Thank you. Excuse me. Can we have this booth or no?
Yeah, that should be good.
Okay, perfect.
And serve them with you shortly.
Thank you. You hold that? Why you put So charge us a vlogger? What? Okay. So this is where we are. And they have brunch